that's just me.
Okay.
Because I washed it really well.
Bae is going to install this catch can all by herself.
Okay.
This is her challenge for today.
I don't want no oil spurting on me. Is this right?
All the tools are here that she needs.
So I pull this out. Right?
She can use my car as reference.
Wait, am I doing this right?
Yes.
This has to come off. No?
Look at your can, look at your thingy. Okay, she has a part out. You want to look at my car for reference?
This came out here.
Yes. You do have a reference point in my car.
So it's supposed to be like this. Like that. This looks hard to take off. I don't know how to get that up.
Use your tools. Tool time. What is she doing now?
Alright.
Do you need a hand?
Yes.
Get one hand for a challenge.
I don't want to strip your skin.
Wait, one on this too already. No.
Let me try this one.
I feel it moving.
You said fit it in there?
I feel it moving. Pulling it.
Yeah, that's pretty snazzy.
Yeah. It helps since you drove it a little bit and take it off easily. You might want to just go around the sides and start going like that.
Okay. Is this helping? Alright. It's like,
Yes, there you go. Just keep wiggling it back and forth. She did it. There's hope for her yet, folks.
hope for me yet.
Okay.
Alright, so this goes here. And then this goes here. Okay.
There's a bolt here that you gotta mount it up to, which is right in here, I think.
Hold on.
So you gotta take that out.
Take it out.
That. Oh, yeah, be careful, the clock is hot.
So there's a bolt right here?
Yeah, there's a little hole somewhere here. Yeah, see this one right here. I think we use that one. So you gotta rip this out.
You said pull it out?
Yeah. Okay. Hold on, let me use my car as reference.
trying to get this to go there.
Always know where your tools are.
Okay. That was easy.
That to the side.
Well, you need a screw for that. No?
There is the screw.
Careful, it's hot. This is how to place a catch can in your Dodge Charger RT.
If you don't have the 392 intake manifold like we do, then you'll put it right here with that without the bracket. But since we do, because we got that connection.
So it's supposed to go here.
If you don't have the bracket, this is the bracket. If you don't have the bracket, it goes here. But if you do have the bracket, because you would need it because you got this 392 intake manifold, you're gonna put it right here, like on mine over there.
This is a 345 Hemi, and this is the catch can on the Challenger. See, Challenger. It's this Challenger right there. It's the catch can set up there, and this is the catch can setup and the Charger.
Down so it don't fly off. You got easy access in case you wanna, whenever you do an oil change this thing too.
He tightened it up.
Very tight with the AC. Yeah, Billet technology is very good. They clean this out.
A little bit of oil.
It was used, but this is in great condition. It's just a solid piece of aluminum. High quality, made in America.